Watch this video to learn how to build a search in Data Visualizer. When you use Data Visualizer, you don't need to know the values in advance, like you do when you're on the search page. For example, I need to review chat data. I need to find out the most active time period in my dataset and who was sending chats at that time. Without knowing the values I want to search for, I can build this search in Data Visualizer. To get started, select Document Analytics, then choose Data Visualizer. First, I want to check out the date visualizations. I'll select Dates. Then, since the visualization pulls from the most relevant date field across all my different documents, I'll select Primary Date. I can immediately see that there was a huge spike in activity in 2022, so I know this is the date range to dive into. To do so, I click and drag my cursor over the range. A dialog pops up that shows the date range I have selected and the number of documents in that range. I can adjust the range by pressing down and dragging again, clear the selection by selecting Clear Selection, exclude this range from my results by selecting Exclude Selection, or add the filter. I will select Add Filter. Now the visualization is updated to only show my selected date range. The filter I have created is at the top of the page. To remove it and go back to the full date range, I can select the X. Now that I know the key date range, I want to find out who was contributing to chats. To do so, I select People, then Chat Contributors. Remember that this is only showing chat contributors from my selected time period. Frankie Sprainolds was very active in chat data during this time. I want to check out the chat documents they were involved in. To do so, select the bar next to their name. In the pop-up on the right, I have a few options for how to handle these selections. In this case, I want to keep it at Any of, since I want to see any chat document that Frankie was involved in. Select Add Filter. Now, both filters are applied to Data Visualizer. Now it's time to actually look at these documents. To do this, I'll select Apply Filters to Search. This takes me to a results table showing just the documents that meet the filters I applied. Notice that they are all chat documents and that they all fall in my selected date range. From here, I can share them with my team or get started with review myself. To learn more about Data Visualizer, go to support.everlaw.com.